YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here. Today we are going to see if we can self-repair some rear end damage. Some of you may know I got rear-ended back in January. Thankfully it was a light enough tap that it didn't destroy anything, but it did do some cosmetic damage. Got an estimate, and of course they want to remove the bumper, repaint it, put it back on. So I'm going to see if I can get it at least good enough that I don't need to do that. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and please share with your friends. Thank you.